How to change your availability at Walmart. Let's get started. Changing your availability at Walmart involves notifying management and updating your work schedule preferences. Here's how you can do it. You can head over to this one website, one.walmart.com. Here you're gonna find the form. You have to fill out this and submit it. Select the days and times you are available or unavailable to work. Review and confirm your changes and submit it. Or you can speak to your manager. Notify your department manager or supervisor about your requested change. You may be required to complete a physical availability form at some locations. Explain your reason for the change, such as school schedules, family commitments, or health needs. Your manager needs to approve the updated availability before it takes effect. Some changes may require a week or two to process into schedule, so plan accordingly. Keep an eye on your work schedule in the Walmart app to ensure the updates are reflected. If the changes aren't showing, follow up with your manager. By following these steps, you can effectively adjust your availability to align with your personal schedule. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.